Hey, DIYers, got a Delta shower faucet that won't stop dripping even after you shut it off? You're probably dealing with a worn-out cartridge. Today, I'll show you how to fix that using Delta's RP46074, the one made for 1300-1400 series faucets. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed. New Delta RP46074 cartridge. 1/8 Allen wrench. Adjustable pliers. Plumber's grease. Towel. Optional. Vinegar for cleaning calcium. Step 1. Verify the cartridge. Before you buy the cartridge, verify your model. This fix is for Delta 1300 or 1400 series multi-choice made after 2005 with a gray top. Cartridges might look the same, but don't risk getting the wrong one. Step 2. Shutter the water. Now shut off both hot and cold water. You might find shut-off valve behind an access panel or nearby. Step 3. Remove the handle. Cover the drain with a towel. Use a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen the set screw under the handle if it's stuck from buildup. Soak it in vinegar for a bit. Step 4. Remove trim and retaining nut. Next, take off the chrome sleeve. It might twist off easily. Then remove the brass retaining nut with pliers. Step 5. Remove old cartridge. Gently wiggle the cartridge up, down, side to side, and pull it out. If it's stubborn, use pliers. Be ready. Some water may come out. Step 6. Compare old vs new. Compare both cartridges. Look for the Type P and hot markings. Make sure everything lines up. Orientation matters. Step 7. Prep new cartridge. Coat the O-rings with plumber's grease. Align the tabs inside the valve at 3 and 9 o'clock. Insert with the hot side on the left. Step 8. Reassemble trim and handle. Reinstall the brass nut chrome sleeve and handle. Don't forget to tighten the set screw. Turn your water back on. Test the handle in every position. Let it run a few minutes to flush the system. Then turn it off and wait 30 minutes. No drip equals success. If everything looks dry, boom, you're done. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY home fixes, and drop your questions or comments below. See you in the next one.